Fantom's massive breakout continues to be on fire, and at the time of this recording, we are now holding above a key area of support above the 0.5319. We have also managed to break above the 0.6525, flipping it back into support. And on today's video, I will be discussing my breakout target areas and also discuss a chart pattern that is information here on the daily chart that is likely to give us a massive breakout to the upside in the next coming days. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video here on the daily chart, you can see that we have the formation of an inverse head and shoulders pattern, having this as the left shoulder. Then we have the head and then the right shoulder over here. And this is a bullish pattern that breaks to the upper side, having the minimum target areas for the breakout being given by getting the height between the tops, that is the neckline and the head. And by getting that height and placing it above the neckline, we get a minimum target area above the 0.8417. And there are very high chances that in the next coming days, we are going to continue seeing these breakouts to the upside until we fully maximize our minimum target areas above the $0.84 in the next coming days. Jumping to the 4-hour chart to now give you the Elliot wave structure that is playing out here on the charts. You can see that from the lows that we made on the 5th of August, we have seen a very nice recovery to the upside where we first peaked in this Elliot wave count 1. We saw a pullback in a wave 2, a wave 3, a wave 4, and then a wave 5 gave us a high above the 0.5355, completing an even larger Elliot wave count 1. And after we peaked in the formation of that first wave, we started a corrective structure in the formation of these Elliot wave count 2, whose minimum target areas I have highlighted here on the charts using this blue target area, an area that we have now fully maximized. And we have seen a reaction of this target area in what I am now terming as the start of an impulsive Elliot wave count 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that Elliot wave count 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, and that lies above the 0.8057, and that is an area that we are likely to fully maximize in the next coming days as long as Fantom continues to hold above key areas of support. You can also see that on the Fibonacci's, we have fully maximized the fib level 1:1, that is the 1:1 ratio over here at the 0.6347, and there are high chances that we now have a high in place in this Elliot wave count 3 on the high that we made above the 0.6841. But that doesn't mean that we can't continue pushing higher and get above the 0.8057 in the next coming days. That area still remains to be one of my target areas. And on the short term, we also need to continue paying attention to key areas of support above the 0.6525, because if by any chance we lose that key area of support, there's a chance that we can easily see a pullback to support on the 0.5319. So those are the key areas of support that we need to continue paying attention to, and those are my breakout target areas. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.